amukela ka channel ya hina ya Inside Central. Hi ta tlhelela nakambe aka Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, laha hi nga ta va hi languti Commissioner Baloyi na Mr. Fani Nkosi, laha Commissioner Baloyi va nga nyika xitsundzuxo eka Sergeant Fani Nkosi. Commissioner Baloyi la va byela or va hlamusela Sergeant Nkosi ku swi tikomba ungaku va tigedlile hi ku a ve le ku pfuneni ka commission hi nchumu, a ve le ku answereni ka nchumu. Ti-date na ti-question a ku na lexi va xi endlaku. Va va nyika ti-date, va va nyika swivutiso, mara va tshama va kha va ku a na ha hleketi nchumu, a na ha hleketi nchumu. Laha va nga va tsundzuxa ku va kha va nga ri ku hlamuleni ka ti-question or ku pfuna commission i nandzu. Loko ku ri a va lava ku hlamula ti-question a va swi tivi ku ve le ku endleni ka nandzu, laha va nga mahlweni va kombisa leswaku kusukela tolo a ku na lexi va nge le ku xi hlamuleni, a ku na lexi va pfunaka commission hi xona. So swi vula yini leswi na? Swi vula ku commission yi le ku voneni ingaku or yi le ku voneni ungaku Sergeant Fani ku na leswi va swi tumbetaka. Mhaka hi leyi, loko se commission yi ya hela ku ta endleka yini hi Sergeant Fani Nkosi loko sweswi commission yi vona ingaku a nge le ku pfuneni ka nchumu?
You've been given dates, and maybe this is where I should express my concern about how you've been giving answers that you don't remember things since yesterday, even the most obvious ones. You've just been given dates. The tender, as a matter of fact, was cancelled in October. That's fact that you've been given. We are looking at WhatsApp messages in April. You say that the message, Buti, please let him say no to that appointment, was sent after he got information that the tender was cancelled. What is being put to you is simply this. At this point of this message, in April, the tender hadn't been cancelled. So it can't be that this message was sent after he heard that the tender has been cancelled. It's that simple. I think you are denying and refusing to comment on the most obvious things because you have taken a particular position that you are not going to be helpful to the commission. And I think that should be expressed to you. You've been carrying on with, I don't remember. Now you say, I can't comment. You must be able to comment. And the comment is, yes, I accept that if the tender was cancelled in October, then in April he could not have been told or heard from anybody that the tender has been cancelled because it hadn't been cancelled. You should be able to accept that. And that you're not doing that is because you are being obstructive and not helping the commission. That's the position you have taken. And I think you need to be reminded your obligation to the commission is to assist and give satisfactory answers. You are not answering satisfactorily when facts are put to you that you are not disputing, and then you say, I cannot comment. I don't know if you want to comment, if you want to say anything. If you do, feel free to do that. But I think you need to be reminded of your obligations as a witness. It is to assist the commission, which so far you haven't been doing. 2, it is to answer satisfactorily. Otherwise, you are committing an offense, and maybe you do need to be reminded of that.
Thank you, Commission. Commission, I would not answer something that I'm not sure of. I will be defeating the same oath that I took. I want to answer to the best of my ability. It is just unfortunate that maybe the commission would see as in I'm not cooperative to the commission. I've been answering questions since Monday till today. I'm answering, and I'm answering to the best of my ability. And it is fair for me as well, if I can't remember, I must bring that to the attention of the commission that
I believe